Meet Ahmed, the owner of a small chain of popular shawarma restaurants across Dubai. People love dining at Ahmed's, and now he's looking to attract new customers while rewarding his loyal patrons. Enter Wallet Factory's Rewards Solution, the ultimate loyalty program tailored to Ahmed's needs. With Wallet Factory, Ahmed effortlessly implements a loyalty program, offering exciting rewards with every purchase. Using our intuitive admin panel, he customizes campaigns and promotions with different rewards mechanics. With just a few clicks, Ahmed launches a referral program to attract new customers. He also creates a campaign targeting his weekly customers, offering 2x points with every shawarma ordered, driving repeat business and building loyalty. But wait, there's more. Ahmed launches a geo-targeted promotion for the grand opening of his new branch, offering a buy one, get one coupon with every order. He even uses the time-level segmentation to clear out his inventory daily, 30% off all shawarmas before 10 p.m. Wallet Factory's powerful rewards engine also allows him to offer promotions based on products or check values. Thanks to Wallet Factory, Ahmed's restaurants are buzzing with happy, loyal customers and new faces every day. Are you looking to elevate the dining experience with intuitive, hyper-personalized loyalty? Contact us today and start delighting your customers. Wallet Factory, connecting businesses and customers through loyalty.